NEET PG 2021 aspirants, as you know, uh, your examination will be conducted on 11th September 2021, and there will not be any extension of the examination date or a postponement of the examination date because NBE has already started uh, all the activities related to organizing your examinations. Although had it been conducted on by the end of September, it would have been the best option for you because till now many of you are still on duty and getting very less time for the preparation. And why I am telling that because a lot of comments I have received, and I thought that it is better to make a video concerning it now at this stage, because your examination is uh, uh, very soon it will be conducted, and in parallel you have to complete your duties also, and you are doing that. So actually, as you know, let us discuss little bit. I don't want to waste your time actually, because this is a crucial time for you. As you know, three subjects are there in for which NEET PG will be conducted. This is preclinical related subjects, paraclinical related subjects, and clinical subjects, in which all rest subjects uh, are uh, included in fact, and mode of examination will be online. And so far as the number of seats are concerned, in my last video also I had discussed that 24,360 seats will be for MD, 12,690 seats are for MS, 922 postgraduate diploma courses are there, and 1,338 DNB set, okay, DNB CET. And total number of aspirants who have been registered 1,74,886, that you know. And considering all those things related to COVID pandemic, because in organizing any exam, yeah, I know you all must have been vaccinated, but there are some other peoples also associated with associated in organizing the exam. They might not uh, uh, been vaccinated. Few of them may be, but few may not. So number of centers also have been increased. Although window for correction, as you know, it will be opened on August 16, and it will go on up to 20th of the August 2021. Now coming to the point, actually, as you know, already a number of questions have been reduced from 300 to 200, and now total marks is 800. 4 marks in which you will be given for the correct answer, and 1 marks will be deducted for the wrong answer. Means it means automatically 5 marks will go from your hand uh, if any of the question will be wrong. So very carefully you have to prepare yourself for it, and you have to appear in the examination. And actually, I have collected some data from my daughter also. She is also fourth year MBBS student, in fact, and she told me that there are some online coachings like Marrow. Marrow is online, and then Prep ladder. You must have been knowing all this. And one is Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute. One is offline also, DAMS, DAMS, which is normally known as. In already you know that a lot of PYQs are given in that, so you can brush up your knowledge with that in a shortest period of time, because very countdown number of days has been started for your examination. So you should go through the chapter wise PYQs or some mock test also. And since three subjects, your subjects have been divided into three, as paraclinical, preclinical and clinical, in which all are included. You should what you should do is that on whatever two subjects, or if three subjects are if you have got the command on all the three subjects, it's so very nice. You should do lengthwise mock-up test. But if you have got only two command on two, suppose paramedical and clinical and preclinical, and clinical is getting you are getting a little bit less prepared. So a selective study it is better to do, and whatever the best you have prepared, you should go for the complete focus on that, so that you can save the time for the third subjects also, because it may be requiring more time during the time during when you are appearing for the examination. But you should give more emphasis on the rest, on those subjects, on those chapters which you have got more command. So thank you very much. Bye bye. Best of luck to you for your examination. If you are liking my video, please subscribe it, share it and like it, so that others also must be benefited, and I can update you with the latest information. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day, and once again best of luck for your exam.